and there is one near Westville at a place called Rocklin. And it's roughly 10 miles downstream from Jack and Lilly's house. And as you can see, much below normal at the minute. So the levels are much below average to normal. It would be a very good time to actually do a full check of that river now with low water levels. Anyway, legend here. You see, we're into real time. You see, where are we? Water levels in green and discharges in orange. That's today's. So getting down to very much low levels at the minute. Ideal time for a search of the river. We'll get into parameters and we'll actually check and try to work out what happened at the time of the incident. So we'll pick out, we'll say the 29th of April for a start date, and we're into the finish date now, which is, we pick out the 6th of May. And we'll apply those settings into the data lists and get it up on a graph. Okay. Okay. 25th. Okay. The 2nd of May, the levels was actually quite low. That was 10 miles downstream. Levels quite low. And before that, in the days before that, it was coming down from a high. And the days after, it was getting up again because it rained. That's right, it rained on some of Daniel's interviews. That would explain the peak after, we'll say, on the 5th of May. But on the day in question, the morning in question, it was actually quite low. And I find that very strange. Of course, it is 10 miles downstream. It doesn't account for local thunderstorm in the streams. But still, it's a very low level, coming down from a high level of the 29th of April. So it's a little unusual and not what I expected. Anyway, as we speak, anyway, the levels are actually very low at the minute. Where are we? We're like the 5th or 6th of June. So it would be an ideal time to actually walk the banks of the river. You know, search team on the banks of the river. Those logs that were submerged will be exposed. If there's anything there, it could be found. Like, things could entangle, like Lily's backpack. That could entangle easily. Looped things entangle. Anyway, take care and good luck.